YouTube? What's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. Brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. I uploaded a whole video last video and I uploaded it wrong because it was only showing like the wrong screen. So I had to re-upload the whole thing. So here we go all over again, guys. Just so you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. I'm just telling me Crypto J. Just trying to help you guys out, talking to you guys about what's going on in the market and telling you pretty much what's trending right now. And we're going to talk about Toshi Coin. We're going to talk about Bitcoin because, again, Bitcoin hitting some very key zones right now. We did not want to see a breakdown of 96, but we did already see it, guys. And now I'm definitely concerned for what's going on. But let's talk about it a little bit, right? So the total market cap coming in at a 3.18 trillion market cap. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 38 today. And our total market cap just looking like we're sitting at a very key moment right now, right? But again, we're not looking as good as we were before. And I'll explain why. I want to explain kind of what that price impact meant to Bitcoin, as well as, again, we did talk about a lot of the time on this channel that fake outs happen a lot of the time on Mondays, right? And it does look like we possibly seen another Bitcoin fake out on a Monday again, dropping down from 97 now, dropping all the way down to this 95 range. And we were talking about the fact that we did not want to drop under 96. Now Bitcoin dropping down to 95 and starting to see a retest of this 96 range. But guys, it's not good that we rejected off of this zone. We did not want to reject off of that zone. I told you guys just in so many videos how important this zone was right here, this 97 zone. We needed to break above to 98, and when we saw that drop down, guys, it's just not looking super duper hot. At the same time, a little too early to say that we're going to enter a bear market. I definitely don't think it's a bear market. I think that we are probably going to see a correction, probably, if we cannot again hold this 96, which again, now that we're retesting it, it's not a good thing. It's not a good thing that we're retesting this range right now. It is definitely going to decrease the confidence in the market. Let's actually pull up Bitcoin and talk a little bit about it and use some indicators that will help you guys kind of see what I'm looking at. As you guys can see right now, we are making a decent rally back on the 30-minute chart, right? But the concern is the volume, right? Are we going to have enough volume to for Bitcoin to continue to rally, or is Bitcoin going to start seeing some trouble, right? You guys could see we're starting to break up a little bit above this second level of the Skelton channel, but are we going to break above it, or are we going to reject down below it? We've seen this thing drop down and reject right here. A couple of times we've touched this level and rejected. More times, though, it seems like recently, we've touched the zone and pumped, right? So it'll be interesting to see kind of what happens now that, again, we're testing this level on the RSI. Are we going to see Bitcoin start to break out and break up? Again, Bitcoin has been highly volatile. It's not looking that good. Again, the fact that it's Monday, we're seeing this breakdown in the market. Yikes. You know, we did want to see this thing pump. The market was looking pretty decent this morning, but again, things looking like maybe we might be seeing a little bit of correction. If we see some correction, guys, how much can we correct down? That's probably the number one question that I've been asked on my channel. How much can we correct down if we do decide that we want to correct down? Which, again, we have not decided that we want to correct down. We watched Bitcoin create this pattern similar times, right? Bitcoin also created this pattern right here, right? Creating this nasty, weird head and shoulders pattern, then trending sideways. People didn't know what was going to happen. And we ended up shooting up, right? Ended up being a bull flag. And we could really see how that bull flag really played out right on this all-time chart, right? Very similar here, right? Looks pretty similar to what happened here. We watched this jump up, and then we watched this correction and this jump. Are we going to see a similar type of correction, similar to that, where we'll just be down for a bit, and then we'll see this big run? We are seeing a lot of bullish stuff happening in crypto. So again, there's a lot of still positivity still left in the market, I feel like, but at the same time, there's a lot of fear that's starting to creep in again as these more bearish patterns start to set in. Bitcoin looking more and more volatile now every day, it seems like, right? But again, is it going to be more of a correction like this, or are we going to see something more like this, right? We create this flagpole, we shoot up, similar to how we're doing right now, shoot up, right? Except we shoot up, create an all-time high, consolidate down, drop to this. See how we dropped all the way down to like this 52 range, and then Bitcoin again, seeing that huge parabolic run up after that. But what's our next leg gonna look like? Are we gonna have next leg? What do you guys think? Did we just top out? I want to know. So you guys could see Toshi Coin holding that support, right? A lot of people want to know what's going on with Toshi. Toshi Coin holding that support at 300 million, pretty decently, right? But again, look, we created this shoulder head, this rejection of this top range right here, and we saw this thing drop down pretty significantly in price. And now we're watching Toshi again trending below these two levels of this Keltner channel. Is Toshi going to see a comeback, or is Toshi also going to correct down with the rest of the market? Again, in my opinion, I think Toshi has some decent. It seems like Toshi has some decent buy orders down here in this 300 million range. It has good volume. I'm watching Toshi Coin constantly trending in this 300 range, but are we going to break below it this time? Again, Bitcoin does look like it is starting to break down, right? We need to see more volume on Bitcoin, but again, the fact that it is Monday does leave me a little bit weary and thinking like maybe we might see some negative price action. But look at this 1 minute chart, right? Turning right back around. What the heck's going to happen with Bitcoin, guys? Just don't know. Can we start seeing this thing start making it back, or again, is it just going to keep rejecting off of these zones? Still has now a long way back to get to just where it was, right? But one thing that we know on Bitcoin, guys, is that nobody knows. This thing can go any way. So again, I'm definitely going to be watching it. I'm going to be paying attention to it. But right now, guys, we're definitely seeing some volatility today with Bitcoin, and it is dragging the markets, including Toshi Coin. So Toshi Coin coming in at 300 million, but still showing some signs of life, still showing signs of volume. It's definitely going to be a coin that I'm going to be picking up more of on the dip. But can it dip much further? Again, only time will tell. I definitely do think that there is a chance that Toshi Coin can continue to rally, but there's also a chance that too, right? We could break down off of this 2-hour chart. Seems like just a little too early to say, right? We might be breaking down off of this 1-hour chart as well. I'm always looking for the cheapest price possible that I can get this thing. I'm wondering, is it going to create a wedge similar to what it created here, even possibly here, right? See a rejection and then maybe create some kind of a wedge. Or again, are we going to start rounding this pattern out and seeing something similar to what we saw down here? This nice cup and handle pattern playing out and playing to the upside, seeing some huge momentum. I think that if Toshi Coin can start to pick up some momentum, that this thing is going to have a huge snowball effect. I've watched it happen multiple times on this coin, and I just feel good about this coin. Again, I told you guys I'm going to be talking about this coin for 2025 because I like it. It's a coin that I'm looking to dollar cost average into this entire year. What do you guys think for Toshi, though? Are you bullish on Toshi? Are you bearish on Toshi? Also, how much Toshi are you holding? Let us know in the comment section. Guys, we are on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers on the channel. We're about halfway there almost, guys, but we can't do it without you guys. All you brand new viewers, guys, we need you guys to hit that subscribe button, help a brother out. And guys, also, if you guys have not yet joined us on Telegram, I created a Telegram. It's a free resource for you guys to run contracts, talk to people, gain insight and stuff like that, ask questions. Ultimately, it's not a place for financial advice, guys, but it is a great place where you can meet and tap in with new people. It's super cool. Also, I will leave you guys a link to my Patreon down below. If you guys want to invite to the Telegram as well, DM me over on Instagram, and I will add you into the Telegram. Also, by joining the Patreon, you will have access to the exclusive Patreon Telegram. Well, you'll be able to talk to me as well as a lot of 6- and 7-figure cryptocurrency holders that have been doing this for a long time. Again, that group is about like 6 years old, guys. So dig into there, get as much as you can in there. I get a ton of information out of stuff out in there too as well. So those guys are amazing, guys. We created an amazing team. But again, not a place for financial advice, just a place for knowledge and resources, guys. That's all this is, just a place for knowledge and resources. So again, if you guys appreciate the video, let me know in the comment section below. Also, guys, we're still got Colombia going on. Colombia is still going to happen, guys. It's going to be huge. Either going to Medellin or Pereira. It's going to happen, guys. Also going to be picking up as much Toshi as I can on this dip. I want to know what you guys are shopping for, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.